Hi there, meet Hunt.Tg, your AI copilot for Solana meme coins. Find the hottest trends, spin them into token ideas, and launch in minutes. No guesswork, no boring forms, just pure degen creator energy. Alright, let's dive in. In this video, you'll learn how to use Hunt.Tg and how it gives you a real edge in the Solana meme coin jungle. The moment you logged in, Hunt auto-generated your own Solana wallet. You can use it to generate token info with AI, launch your token and trade it instantly. Let's see how the AI helps you cook up something epic. Head over to the Find Ideas tab. This is your mission control. Here you will see 3 token creation modes and below 4 data blocks packed with alpha. First, top trending crypto words on Twitter for the last hour. Next, AI insights analyzing what's popping in the crypto world right now.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
And these two, pure gold, Trump's and Elon's social feeds. Their posts move markets. Be the first to mint a token before anyone else does. Now let's talk modes. Manual mode for those who already know exactly what they want to launch. AI assist mode. Perfect if you've got an idea but need help shaping it. And finally, get lucky mode, where you pick your insanity level from 1 to 10 and just let the chaos cook. Let's try AI Assist. Say, I want to make a token about a dog with a built-in TV. I type that in, wait a few seconds and boom! The AI gives me a name, ticker, description and even a meme-worthy image. I can tweak it, add my Telegram and just hit launch.
Right, yeah, of course.
Now let's go full digging. I pick Get Lucky, choose Madness level 10 and launch. Instantly the token goes live on Pump Fun. I can buy it, sell it, or just sit back and watch it moon.
That's some funny shit, huh? You be happy about it.
And that's it. You've just seen how Hunt.Tg turns chaos into creation and memes into tokens. Thanks for watching and may the AI god bless your backs.